Okay, so recently I made a video where I showed that it's pretty hard to change the windscreen wiper blades with a Hyundai Santa Cruz, and also during winter if you maybe want to tilt them up. So Viewer gave me a good tip. So you have to turn off the engine and then push your windscreen wiper stalk all the way to the up position, and then it automatically comes into service mode. And then push your windscreen wiper stalk all the way to the up position, and then it automatically comes into service mode. And now you see we have the wipers in the service mode, and you could actually even tilt them. And I show you how it usually is when you turn off your car. So you see, usually when you turn off your car, you actually just cannot tilt them, and it's also hard to change the wipers. But with this trick from my viewer, or the person who maybe actually was one of the few who read the manual, it's pretty easy to get your windscreen wipers into service mode. I wish actually it would be easier, or there would be a setting in the screen like service mode, and you wouldn't have to know that hack